In this video, I'll show you how to use lookup fields in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to head over to the workspace. So on the left-hand side, choose workspaces. From here, you want to choose a base that you want to work with. Let's say I want to do this on my sales base. So just simply click on a base that you want to work with. And once you do that, it will automatically take you to the database. Now to add a lookup field, head over to the very end of the table. From here, you will find the plus sign to add a field. Click on the plus sign. At the bottom, just simply look for the lookup. If you can't find it, there is a search bar at the top to find a field type and just simply type lookup. Now at the bottom, choose lookup. And from here, you can set the field name. So let's say you want to simply take all of the names with a specific category. So let's say we want to take all of the names with a specific assignee. So from here, you can look up. At the bottom, you want to choose a field source. Let's say I want to do this within table number 1. At the bottom, you can choose a field. Let's say we want to get the name. And from here, if you click on create, it will automatically gather all of the names within a specific category. Click the plus sign again. We can add another lookup. From here, let's say we want to choose from table number 1. And let's say we want to get the assignee. At the bottom, if you click on create, it will automatically do so. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.